to the ultimate egg meal recipes for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Simple, step-by-step instructions that anyone can follow, plus a done-for-you product you can rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. Are you tired of making the same egg meals over and over and over again? Now you can explore a world of delicious possibilities with the Ultimate Egg Recipe Collection, a carefully crafted guide packed with 200 flavorful egg recipes designed for breakfast, lunch, dinner, quick snacks, healthy eating, family meals, and comfort food cravings. Whether you are a beginner in the kitchen, a busy parent, a student on a budget, a food lover searching for fresh ideas, or someone simply looking for fast and satisfying meals, this cookbook gives you simple, practical, and mouth-watering egg recipes you can make anytime. Inside this collection, you'll discover easy breakfast egg recipes to energize your mornings, quick lunch ideas for busy days, comforting dinner recipes the whole family will enjoy, healthy low-carb and protein-rich egg meals, international egg-inspired dishes from different cultures, budget-friendly recipes using simple ingredients, creative ways to use boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, baked eggs, poached eggs, and more. One-pan meals, sandwiches, wraps, salads, casseroles, and so on. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow, practical, flavorful, and made with ingredients you can find in your kitchen or local grocery store. This is more than just an egg cookbook, it's a complete inspiration guide for creating affordable, delicious, protein-packed meals every single day. Perfect for families, students, busy professionals, meal preppers, food bloggers, home cooks, health-conscious eaters, and anyone who loves eggs. Smiling face with smiling eyes, smiling face with smiling eyes, smiling face with smiling eyes. Your 3-in-1 creative and delicious egg meal recipes for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Whether you're an egg enthusiast or just looking to diversify your meals, this egg meal collection has something for everyone. Each recipe is easy to follow and includes high-quality images, nutritional information, and tips to tweak the dishes to your liking. Here's a quick preview of what's included inside the 3-in-1 bundle. Start every morning with delicious, protein-packed meals that are quick, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Egg recipes for breakfast features a variety of creative and classic breakfast ideas, from fluffy omelets and hearty breakfast bowls to wraps, sandwiches, pancakes, and grab-and-go options. Whether you're feeding a busy family or looking for a healthy way to begin your day, these simple recipes make breakfast something to look forward to every morning. Turn ordinary lunches into flavorful, filling meals with the power of eggs. Egg recipes for lunches packed with easy-to-make dishes, including salads, rice bowls, wraps, sandwiches, stir-fries, and comforting classics, all perfect for home, work, or meal prep. These budget-friendly recipes deliver the perfect balance of taste, nutrition, and convenience, helping you enjoy satisfying lunches without spending hours in the kitchen. Discover how versatile eggs can be with a collection of comforting, hearty, and delicious evening meals. Egg recipes for dinner features simple recipes, from skillet meals and fried rice to casseroles, soups, wraps, and globally inspired favorites. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or an affordable meal the whole family will enjoy, these egg-based recipes offer flavorful solutions that are satisfying and easy to prepare. 200 simple and flavorful egg recipes anyone can make, easy, budget-friendly egg meals for every time of the day. Let's take a preview into some pages. Everything is completely done for you. If you want simple egg meals, creative egg ideas, and delicious recipes without spending hours in the kitchen, this 3-in-1 egg recipe collection will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion for many years to come. And here's the best part, you're not just getting the guide for yourself. You're also getting full license rights to the entire egg recipe collection cookbook, meaning you can sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profits. You can edit, modify, and sell it as your own. You can use it as part of a comprehensive nutrition program. You can incorporate them into social media posts to engage followers. You can use the content as a lead magnet to build your email list. You can break down the recipes into articles or social media content. You can include online courses as part of the content. You can use it to enhance the value of their existing offerings. You can create printed books to sell in local bookstores. You can offer it as a bonus in digital products or courses. You can convert the egg recipes into a video series. You can integrate recipes into a nutritionist's dietary plans. You can offer it as part of a membership site for exclusive content. You can use the plan as part of their community food initiatives. You can donate the guide to local libraries. You can resell it as it is at your price for maximum profit. Go ahead and secure your copy of the 3-in-1 egg meal recipes with unrestricted PLR included. The complete egg cookbook, 200 simple and flavorful recipes anyone can make. Ready to impress your family and guests with creative and satisfying egg meals? While eggs are nutritious and can be part of a balanced diet, it is important to consume them in moderation and as part of a varied diet that includes a wide range of nutrients from different food sources. For individuals with specific health conditions or dietary restrictions, it is always best to consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist for personalized advice. Don't miss this chance to join us on this journey to spice up our lunches and dinners with easy, nutritious, and mouth-watering egg meals. Go ahead and download your copy of the 3-in-1 egg meal recipes today and ensure there's something delightful for every palate and every occasion. Don't delay downloading your copy at the lowest price now. On the next page, you'll have the chance to secure exclusive access to all our egg recipe content bundle for a small one-time price. Trust me, you'll love the entire collection. Click here to download your copy now before the price increases. Thanks so much and see you on the inside. If you need help, please contact me via email. Disclaimer: please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo Registered is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Incorporated, a Florida corporation located at 1809 East Broadway Street Suite 125 Oviedo, Florida 32765 USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion. Terms of use: L. Privacy Policy. L. Earnings Disclaimer. Copyright John Anavi, all rights reserved.